If you are planning to buy a laptop in 2026, you might want to do it sooner rather than later. Laptop prices are expected to increase this year due to rising costs of components like memory chips, processors, and storage. At the same time, many manufacturers are introducing new AI-powered processors and higher performance hardware, which also pushes prices higher. So in this video, I will show you some of the best laptops you can buy in 2026 based on performance, battery life, reliability, and overall value. Whether you are a student, business professional, developer, or content creator, one of these laptops could be the right choice for you before prices go up. The laptop industry is evolving very quickly. In recent years, we have seen the introduction of Apple Silicon processors, Intel Core Ultra chips, and AMD Ryzen AI processors. These new processors are designed not only for traditional computing tasks, but also for AI workloads, machine learning, and advanced graphics processing. Because of this shift, many modern laptops now deliver longer battery life, better performance, stronger graphics capabilities, and more efficient power usage. But these improvements also mean that laptop manufacturers are introducing more premium devices, which can lead to higher prices in the market. One of the best overall laptops you can buy in 2026 is the MacBook Air with Apple Silicon. This laptop has become extremely popular because it combines excellent performance, long battery life, and a very thin and lightweight design. The Apple Silicon chip allows the MacBook Air to run demanding applications while still maintaining impressive battery efficiency. Some key advantages include up to 18 hours of battery life, a high-quality Retina display, silent fanless design, fast SSD storage, excellent build quality. Because of this balance between performance and portability, the MacBook Air is an excellent option for students, professionals, and everyday users. If you prefer Windows laptops, one of the strongest options in 2026 is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. ThinkPad laptops have a long reputation for reliability, security, and excellent keyboards. The X1 Carbon is designed for professionals who need a powerful laptop that is also lightweight and durable. Key features include Intel Core Ultra processors, lightweight carbon fiber construction, excellent keyboard for long typing sessions, strong enterprise security features, long battery life. Because of these features, this laptop is widely used by business professionals, consultants, and remote workers. For people working in creative fields like video editing, design, or software development, the MacBook Pro remains one of the most powerful laptops available. The MacBook Pro models equipped with Apple's advanced processors deliver outstanding performance for heavy workloads. These laptops are commonly used for tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, app development, AI and machine learning workflows. They also offer features like high-performance graphics, large unified memory, very fast SSD storage, high-brightness professional displays. Because of this, the MacBook Pro is often considered one of the best laptops for creative professionals and developers. Not everyone needs an expensive laptop. If your tasks include web browsing, office work, online meetings, and spreadsheets, a mid-range laptop can offer excellent value. Devices like the Acer Swift series or Dell Inspiron laptops are strong choices in this category. Many of these laptops now include modern Intel or AMD processors, 16 gigabytes of RAM, solid-state storage, high-resolution displays. These laptops provide more than enough power for everyday productivity tasks while remaining affordable. So these are some of the best laptops you can consider buying in 2026. But remember, the laptop market is changing quickly, and hardware prices are expected to increase due to global component demand and new AI-powered technologies. If you are already thinking about upgrading your laptop, it might be a good idea to do it sooner rather than later. Make sure to subscribe for more videos about technology, productivity tools, and data analytics. And if you want to learn how to build professional dashboards and data systems, you can also visit other-levels.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.